Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to look at Easify, a tool that can help you to automate SMS, email and voice outreach. If you are in marketing, sales or customer engagement, you know how much time it takes to contact with people manually. Easify help you to reach your audience faster, more efficiently and it scale. So in this video, I will explain how it works and why it is useful, and also you can get it through AppSumo with a lifetime deal, so stay until the end of this video. So first, what is Easify? Simply, it is an outreach automation tool. You can create campaign with SMS, email or voice messages, and it will work with automatic on your contacts, so you don't have to send them one by one, and you can schedule everything to go out at the right time. So this is perfect if you want save time and reach people effectively. Now in this time, Easify has become smarter. It has better template, schedule option and analysis. That means you can track how many messages were opened, replied to or acted on. So this will help you to see what is working and what is not, so you can improve your outreach campaign. And obviously even beginners can set it up easily because the interface is very simple and there are guides and templates to start quickly. Another big advantage is the personalization. You can customize messages for each person, like using their name, company or other detail. This makes your message feel more personal and increase the chances of getting a response. And because everything is automated, you save hours that would have been spent to sending message manually. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are automation across SMS, email, voice, easy personalization, scheduling and analytics. The con side is that for a very big list, it may take a bit time to send all messages, but for most users, it works properly. Now let's talk about the pricing. Normally, Easify has monthly or yearly subscription plans. This can get expensive if you want to use it regularly. But through AppSumo, you can get a lifetime deal. You pay once and get full access forever, no monthly fee. This is ideal if you plan to automate outreach regularly and save money over the time. So Easify in this time is a powerful tool for marketers, salesperson or business owner who want to automate their SMS, email, voice campaign efficiently. And using the AppSumo lifetime deal is the smartest way to get it at lower price and enjoy the lifetime access. So check the description below this video, click this special link and grab your lifetime deal now. So this tool can really make your outreach faster, more personal and more effective. Now that's all for Easify on Easy Access Tech channel. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.